Welcome everyone. I know that you heard about OverWallet project and their airdrop. If you joined the project early, that video is for you. We was collect points in OverWallet and the stage ended. Now they launched their testnet before the mainnet launch, which should be in next month. The team said the testnet maybe it will take a month. When you update your app, you will get over token to start navigate and work on testnet. Here you will be able to claim 10 over token every day. And these are the points that I collected earlier before the launch of testnet. And here are the number of friends you also invited before the launch of the testnet. And both points and friend cards will have a role in how much you will receive from the airdrop when the mainnet is launched. From here, you can send over token to anyone you want. And this is important point because you need to make a transactions that also will help you to increase your airdrop. So take care of that. Now, let's navigate the new update and explain it. Those are the settings, and I don't think you want to do anything about them. Leave them as they are. This is your history of the transactions you did, your staking and your unstaking transactions, and also what you get every day. If you click on any of the transactions you made, you will see the details of that transaction, such as the sender, the amount you got or you sent, and the date of the transaction. In staking tab, here, there are two options. The first is Palm Stake, and the other is Home Stake. Home Stake is for this people who want to run their one node on PC. And it is a bit of a long topic, and there are some problems facing many who want to choose that type. So if you do not have the possibility to try it, it is enough just to use the other option, which is Palm Stake. In fact, it's similar to what was happening before the testnet was released, where you stake your tokens and take a percentage of those tokens in return. And you can withdraw them anytime you want. And it is important to stake your over token during the testnet. In general, any transaction, staking or anything you do during the testnet will be useful to you when they launch the mainnet. From here, you can stake your over token. Type the amount you want to stake. Then click Next. Then confirm the transaction. From here, you can withdraw what you have staked at any time you want. By clicking on Get Started, then choosing the amount you want to withdraw. Take a note that you must wait 10 minutes to withdraw. From here, you can claim your over token you got from staking. Confirm the transaction from here and the tokens will be added to your balance after that. Now, if you want to send over token or receive it from another person, how can you do that? First, if you look at the top of the main page, you will find the address for your wallet. If someone wants to send over tokens to you, you can copy that address and send it to that person. And if you want to send over tokens to someone, it's also simple. From the main interface of the app, click on Send, and then this page will come to you. Enter the address of the person to whom you want to send the tokens, and then click Next. After that, choose the amount you want to send. Then accept the transaction. And it's better to make a lot of transactions on the app to ensure maximum airdrop or free distribution when the Over token mainnet launches. In the end, if you like the content, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see everything new. If you want to join the Telegram channel, I would be happy to do so. You will find the channel link in the description. Thank you for watching.